Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
It is safest not to put stainless steel in the microwave, as metal reflects microwaves instead of absorbing them. This can cause sparking and is a fire hazard. This is especially true if the metal is formed into complex shapes like forks or if there is more than one piece of metal present.
Take our lead.
Short answer: yes, stainless steel is dishwasher safe. Stainless steel does corrode when exposed to acid or base solutions, however. Only wash kitchen knives by hand. Dishwasher detergent is quite abrasive and dulls blades.
Take our lead.
Many people microwave travel mugs not realizing they're made of stainless steel, which does not belong in the microwave. The stainless steel will not only block the heat from warming whatever's in your mug, but nuking it can also damage your microwave.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.